I rarely weigh myself. And if someone comes up to me and asks me how much I weigh right now, I would know because I don't even own a weighing scale. Our bodies go through so much, and a weighing scale is not a good measurement to track progress. In this video, I'll show you different ways where we can actually track progress to see if our consistency is really working. My number one tip is progress pictures. Progress pictures are key. When I first started, I thought I'll take a picture of myself first, and in another 4 to 6 weeks, I took another picture with the same clothes, same lighting, same time of day, and the changes are wild. It really gives you insight to how much you've lost and how much different you look. And even if the clothes feel a bit slightly different, it really makes you feel good. So progress pictures are number one source of tracking progress. My second tip of tracking progress is strength goals. Now, I know many of you don't really track progress when it comes to strength, but it is a really important aspect of our training. If I start with a 5 kilo dumbbell in my 6-week program and I'm ending up with a 10 kilo dumbbell towards the end of my 6-week program, it really shows an increase in strength. My body might have not changed, but my strength from week 1 to week 6 has changed, and that is a real good measurement of our training. My third tip for tracking progress is energy and confidence. Are you feeling a little less tired after you finish your run and your strength workout session? Are you feeling a bit more confident when you're walking around? Is your clothes fitting a bit better? Do you feel good in your own skin? That is progress. That's all you need to know that you're going in the right direction. My last and final tip for tracking progress is measurements, which is optional and I don't really recommend it. But if you want more data, just measuring your thighs, maybe hips and your waist monthly would also show you good progress towards the end of your challenges or your workouts. Your body is changing. Even if your scale isn't, tracking progress in different ways will always tell you if you're going in the right direction. Hot girls always lift and track smart. If I'm missing anything else, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just put a comment and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Please follow and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.